Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you guys how to create a day render in Revit. In this video I am going to talk in detail about the render settings. The link to the tutorial in which I have explained about camera settings is given in the description box. But before we start, let me remind you to like and share my videos, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. Also to watch my other videos as well, and if you have any difficulties or queries related to Revit, you can ask me anytime. Now I am going to render this view in Revit. If you want to make some adjustments in the camera, you can. I'm going to add more of this left wall in the view. Now click on this little kettle and bulb icon of rendering. If you want to render a particular area within this 3D view, you can do that with the help of this region command as shown in the video. Now if I render it, you can see that only the selected region within this 3D view is rendered and all of the other view is omitted. Now you can set the quality of the image within this pull down menu. The render settings mostly require hit and trial method. You have to explore many options for settings before you can decide on one. So always try to render in draft to check the settings before you can render the final image. If the image is small, I use the high quality render. Otherwise, for the larger images, I use the best one. But you can also have your own customized settings. For that, click on edit. A new render box appears. You can see that in the draft mode, the materials and shadows are not precise. Same as is the case with the medium one. Only the levels are increased. But if we go towards the materials and shadows are rendered and the level has been increased to 10. And with the case of best, the level has been increased to 20. Render by level actually means that with each increase in level, the quality of the image, the quality of the render or the quality of the image increases. Now click on custom if you want to create your own settings. The render level for the best is 20, but you can increase it up to whatever value you want. Also, you can define the time for the render. For example, if you want to have a render in 30 minutes, you can type 30 in it and then it will automatically stop after 30 minutes. For example, I will show you how it will work for 1 minute. You can see that in the elapsed time, it is showing us the time that how much time has passed out of 1 minute. You can see that the image quality is very low, but even then the render has been completed after 1 minute. Now again go towards the settings. There is a third option for the render duration, which is until satisfactory. Select it and then click OK. Now the rendered levels will keep on increasing and there is no limit at which it will stop. It will only be stopped when you will tell it to stop. You can see that it is written here that click stop when you are satisfied with the render quality. So when you know that the render quality is fine and you are okay with it, so you can stop it. This is a good option if you want to control the time and the render quality. For this video I'm going to select the quality at high. There is one very important thing. You cannot confuse the quality setting with the output settings. The quality settings ensure the quality of materials and the shadows, whereas the output settings is responsible for the pixels and the resolution of the image. There are some options for the pixels. Also you can see the image size in here, which is now 3.2 MPs for 100 pixel 100 dpi. Now for this video I'm going to set the output settings at 150. From here you can select the site light source. For example, I have selected exterior sun only, and now the rendering is progressing and you can see that the interior is dark and the light source is only from the sun, which is outside, and the light is coming from the windows. In the next video I will explain you guys on how to render with the help of artificial lights, which are mostly used in the night renders. But for now I'm going to use interior sun only. Before we proceed, let me enter the location of the site. Select single day from here, then click here to enter the location. Click on default city list and then find out your city. And the site which I am using is in Lahore, Pakistan. Then then you can see about the weather, the site, and do check if the north is at the correct location. And then click OK. Here you can enter the time for the at which you want to render. The background is mostly used for the rendering of the buildings from the exterior side, mostly in the elevations and the 3Ds. So for that you can either enter the sky, or you can use an image, or you can make it a PNG file. But for the interior, these things doesn't matter very much. The settings are now complete, and now click on render. You can see that with the progress in each level, the quality of the image is getting better step by step. As it is a high quality render, so it has automatically closed after completing the level 10, and you can see that this render is completed in approximately half an hour, and we then get this image. Close it down. Now click on adjust exposure. If you want to correct some colors or shadows or increase the brightness or darkness of this image, you can do that with the help of this exposure control dialog box. Export this file and save its JPEG image at the desired location. Now open and zoom this image to check the quality of the materials and the shadows. Now if I increase the levels of the render, the quality will be much greater than that. You can use the best quality, or you can enter the level by yourself, or you can give the time, for example, of 1 hour, or you can keep on rendering until you are satisfied. So all of these options have been explained in this video. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any difficulties or queries related to Revit, you can ask me anytime. Also, if you want me to upload any specific tutorial, just tell me and I will try to upload it as soon as possible. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care. And don't forget to like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel.